In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a GitHub account. Before you begin, make sure you've backed up any important repositories or data because account deletion is permanent. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click Account. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the Delete Account section. Click Delete your account to begin the deletion process. GitHub will ask you to confirm your identity and acknowledge that you want to permanently delete the account. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter the requested confirmation details. Once you've completed the confirmation steps, click the button to delete your account. GitHub will then permanently remove your account and associated data. That's how to delete a GitHub account. Thanks for watching.